It's no longer working, battery dead. Okay.
Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery when it's KeyFob. This is a Dodge KeyFob, and for be more specific, this is for a Dodge Charger KeyFob. And let's get started. It's going to be a short video, so the first thing you need to do is remove the key. So you move this thing here, this lock, unlock it, and it'll remove the key. Once you remove the key, you insert this key here. There's a little slot here, and you twist it this way. You twist, and it pops up. Once that pop out, and here's the battery. And make sure you remember the orientation. This is the negative side, and the positive side is in the bottom. So to remove this, my nail's short. So once you know the orientation, just stick your finger in here, and it'll come up. See, and this is the positive right here and negative. So negative is going to be facing up. So this particular remote uses 2032 battery. So this one uses 2032 battery. Okay, it's a 3-volt 2032 battery. So right now I'm going to put a new battery. So this way, orientation, negative up. Push that down. Push this down. Squeeze. There, you hear that snap, and that's it. And we test it, and it should work. Okay. Light goes on. Lock. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.